Let's understand how AWS calculates read capacity unit in DynamoDB. So before getting into the calculation, let's understand what is eventually consistent read and strongly consistent read. So in eventually consistent read, the latest data returned into the DB is not considered, whereas in strongly consistent reads, the DynamoDB returns the latest response with the latest returned data. So one RCU is either one strongly consistent read or two eventually consistent read up to 4 KB of data. So say for example, we have 6 KB of data which is to be read from the DynamoDB. So how do we calculate RCU for this? So nearest multiple of 6 KB of data would be 8 KB, and for a strongly consistent read, we would be dividing it with 4 because for 4 KB of data, we have one strongly consistent read which is 1 RCU, right? So we end up with 2 RCU for a strongly consistent read and 1 RCU which is strongly consistent read divided by 2 for an eventually consistent read. So we'll be ending with 1 RCU for eventually consistent read and 2 RCUs for strongly consistent read. Follow for more.